The Olympic Games, a celebration of human strength, unity, and excellence. But in the midst of competition, what happens when faith takes center stage? Meet Nemanja Majdov, a world-class athlete from Serbia. His determination and skill have earned him a place on the Olympic stage. But for Nemanja, his greatest strength comes not from training, but from his faith. As a devout Christian, Nemanja begins each match with a simple act of devotion, the sign of the cross. To him, it's a prayer for guidance, for strength. At the Olympics, this humble gesture of faith stirred up unexpected controversy. Officials banned Nemanja, claiming his expression of faith was inappropriate. A ban, simply for making the sign of the cross. The decision sent shockwaves through the athletic and religious communities. Critics were quick to attack, but Nemanja stood firm. "I will not apologize for my faith," he declared, his voice echoing through the hearts of millions. As news of Nemanja's ban spread, the world took notice. Christians and people of faith from all corners of the globe rallied behind him, sparking a movement, a call for the freedom to express faith, even on the grandest of stages. Nemanja Majdov's story is a testament to courage, a reminder that in the pursuit of excellence, our faith guides us. Stand with us as we support Nemanja and all athletes who seek the freedom to live their faith. Faith in action, even on the Olympic stage. Share this message, and let the world know that no athlete should have to choose between their sport and their faith.